All right, guys, today we're going to be installing XP Pro Service Pack 2 into VirtualBox on an OS X host. And so we're going to click on New, and we're going to type in Windows XP Pro SP2. And it's already detected. That's kind of what I wanted to do. And we are going to we'll give it 2 gigs of RAM. That'll help with the installation process. And we'll go to Create. Okay, and then let's give it, yeah, that's fine, 40 gigs. Now let's make sure the settings are correct for how we're going to want to install this. Oh yeah, we'll take off the floppy disk because that's just ridiculous. All right. And make sure that we've got choose virtual optical disk file, and then I'm going to be using XP Pro ISO that I've got sitting on my desktop. And we'll push OK. This should be ready to go. And we'll push enter. We'll go through, let's do format NTFS file system quick so it doesn't take too long. Apparently I started iTunes in the background because I didn't hold down the function key. So we're just going to go ahead and quit that when this stupid thing loads. You can change language settings or regional settings as you wish. I'm just going to default through these and sort of use a standard. You can type anything you want for the computer name. You can type anything you want for the admin password. And that should do it. Yeah, not right now. Skip. No, I do not want to register online with Microsoft. Nope. Once you've got this installed, there's a few things I like to do normally to reduce the amount of overhead on the system. Number one is adjusting for best performance here. It doesn't make it as pretty, but it works faster. It works a little bit better. You can allow RDP. Go to Windows Firewall. We're going to turn that off because you're using this for pen testing purposes, and you don't need the Windows Firewall messing things up. And then you can go up here, insert guest edition CD image. And you're going to click continue anyways, because Microsoft's saying it might not be compatible. Yeah, it's fine. And reboot later. So that's pretty much it. Once you've decided how you want to have your virtual machines, if you want to copy everything I did in my labs, you can make a few other changes, and I'll go ahead and make a separate video for that. You can go ahead and change IP addresses as you wish. But this one is done, and I will see you guys in the next video.